just right. Read from any angle, day or night. It stores text links, even more. Thousands of characters at its core. Error correction, strong and tight. Even broken code still read alright. QR, quick response, that's the name. Scan it once, get the game. Black and white, but smart inside. Data hidden in a square design. From car parts to your cafe pay. Manners, tickets, maps today.